We are headed into round 4 of the weekly Precision Hunter Challenge. If you haven't seen this challenge yet, go check it out. But here is a little recap going into the 4th round. For this challenge, I will be taking one shot every week at a deer-shaped target at 600 yards. There's a 6-inch plate on the vitals. For this challenge, I have inputted the ballistics off the box into my ballistic rangefinders. When I range the target, the information it gives me back is 4.7 mils. So this is the first round of this challenge. The first round impacted 5 inches low and 11 inches right. Last week we missed, so I asked everyone to comment what the correction should be. First thing someone noticed was that my dial didn't match my ballistic computer. I should have been at 4.8 because the ballistic computer called for 4.78. So I'm going to go ahead and dial up that 10th. The second correction that I received in the comments was that the impact was 11 to 12 inches to the right, and that I needed to dial 5/10 left. I'm going to go ahead and dial 5/10 left. And that's where it's going to stay until the next week's challenge. And the elevation will also stay. I had the spot and scope set up, and I had the GoPro set up downrange. I have a Kestrel set up to check the wind. We're getting a little bit of wind in our face at 2 miles an hour. Here we go on round number 2 for the weekly Precision Hunter Challenge. Wish me luck. The second round impacted 4 inches low and about 5.5 inches left. Welcome back to the weekly Precision Hunter Challenge. In previous weeks we had comments about muzzle velocity. This week I have set up a chronograph. In previous weeks there was talk about wind calls. Downrange I have a Kestrel set up to get wind. Last week the wind was at 12 o'clock at 2 miles an hour. This week the wind is again at 12 o'clock, but it has picked up to about 4 miles per hour. We have not touched the dial since last week. This week's goal is to shoot with the exact same data that we used last week and see how close we can get to the previous week's impact. This is round number 3 of the Precision Hunter Challenge. Comment below what we should do for next week's weekly Precision Hunter Challenge.